Backhoe. 4-wheel drive, 3-way steer. Extend a hoe. That 4-wheel steer working good there. It's got a hydraulic quick coupler up in the front end. It's got a rock bucket on the back, kind of a narrow rock bucket with a quick coupler on it. This machine, the engine has just been completely rebuilt. Here's your 2-wheel steer. Right there, 2-wheel steer work. There's your 4-wheel steer. All that works good. And there's your crab steer. Usually those functions don't work on these machines, these earlier model machines, but this one works just like it's supposed to. Again, this engine just been completely rebuilt, 0 hours on it. I actually put a new turbo on it as well. It's got the tag or Wainwright quick coupler in the back. A lot of different bucket sizes available. Easy for that coupler. Functions as it's supposed to for a good early model machine. JCB 214S Series 2 enclosed cab, 4-wheel drive, all-wheel steer, hydraulic quick coupler in the front, extend a hoe, fresh rebuilt engine, new turbo, JCB bucket on the front.